Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can power on your Samsung Galaxy S8 or the S9, S9 Plus without a power button or when your power button is broken. Now this method may or may not work depending on the motherboard that you have inside your device. Now because the Samsung Galaxy S8 or the S9 come with various different model. Depending on the region that you live in, you may get a different model. So it may or may not work for you, but it's worth to give it a try. So what you need to do is press on the volume down button and the Bixby key together at the same time. And while doing that, you're going to need to plug in to the computer with using the USB cable. You need to plug into your Mac computer or Windows computer. It doesn't matter which one. So let's take a look what it looks like. So again, you need to press on both buttons. So hold it like this and press on the volume down and Bixby key, press and hold. So hold it for a few seconds, and then while you're doing that, you want to plug in the cables. And so just hold it for a few seconds, and shortly you will see the warning screen. When you see that screen, what you want to do is press on the volume down key. So you want to press on the volume down key right here, and that will allow your phone to restart. And that's how you can turn it on. Now it will work the same on the Galaxy S8, but as I said, it may or may not work for you depending on the motherboard that you have inside your device. And so give it a try. It doesn't cost anything. Hopefully you can switch it back on. If it does not switch it back on, then that means you will need to get your power button fixed in order for you to turn on your device. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now you can see I also have the Galaxy Note 9, and again it's not on at the moment. So if I press on these keys right here, so on the two keys, so you do the same thing. On the two keys, you press it in, you plug it in, and as soon as you plug it in, it should go into that warning screen. And on my Galaxy S8, it does not work. When I press on both keys and I plug it in, it will just simply showing the charging icon. So if your phone is showing the charging icon with a battery percentage, that means that your phone have a motherboard does not allow you to turn on using this method, and the only way you can turn it on is to use the power button. And so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.